guys. Let's go. Come on. I'm not. Sit down, Rebecca. Jeez. Okay, that's enough.
That's the There was like a...
Mo Bamba or Sicko Mode?
Alright, I'm gonna give y'all a tutorial on how to open a fridge.
Oh wait, yes.
Alright, so
Wait, do
fridge.
your intro.
Hi guys, it's Cassidy Curterillo here, so you know, welcome back, and yeah. This is a fridge, guys. I hope you know that this is a fridge. There's tasty stuff inside. As you can see, the refrigerator temp is 38 degrees Fahrenheit. So the way you open a fridge is you approach a fridge, give it a look up and down, okay? Just, you know, just be aware of your surroundings, okay? And then, see these? These are handles, as well as this. There's two major compartments to the fridge. There's the freezer. There's a freezer, and there is the regular compartment. So now you take your hand and you put it in the handle. Under the handle, you grab and you apply a little bit of force. And then you see that, you know, you can get whatever kind of food you want here. There's butter. It's nice. Now you do the same thing, but backwards to close the fridge. And then opening this, you gotta apply a little bit more pressure, a little bit more force, you know. So you just gotta, it's like you're gonna just whip it out, you know. And then you usually keep the more colder stuff down here because like popsicles, you know, that kind of stuff. So to close this, you just. Thanks for watching my.
Oh hey Cassidy,
okay.
you wanna know what's on this SD card?
What?
The traumatizing moment where you
Oh,
cut your
God.
finger off.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still gone. It's still gone. Yeah. So. Oh.
Okay.
We only wear pink.
Wow, this is some real zooming action.
Alright, so we boiled some water and now we're gonna pour it outside.
See if it makes snow.
See if it makes snow.
You're gonna have to like throw it like Rachel. You gotta go. Don't burn yourself, Rachel.
Yeah, I'm gonna burn myself. So like,
Oh,
Wait, yeah, turn the lights on.
the light.
No.
Wait, you gotta like go out.
Yeah, you have to go out. Okay, no, wait, stand there.
okay. Ready? Get set. Go.
Whoa! Did it burn?
Science! Whoa, look at it.
Oh, okay.
Smoke. That was nice.
Yeah, man.
Cool.
Yeah, brother. That was pretty cool, brother.
You wanna run back out in the snow?
I'm not doing that again. Kill me.
Holy with fire.
No, that wouldn't be good, would it?
No. So how's that?
Good.
Cute. What are you doing there?
I was trying to empty my bowl.
What? When did that take? How did that just open?
Conspiracy.
There's a ghost. Hi sisters.
Five, brother. Well, we could do our handshake and then we could show the camera our handshakes.
Because they're gonna take it.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Oh, that was like our best one.
Yeah, man. That was like a good,
I need to lay
like
down.
a good loud echoing sound. Let's try again. Yeah. Hi, I'm Cassidy. I'm the scene crew. And I guess you could say I love The Office US.
Hi, I'm Rachel. And you see, I'm the RN crew. And well, I guess you could say I'm the depressed one.
Hi, I'm Emily, the E in crew, and I like cows.
Hi, I'm Willa, the W in crew. You probably won't see me much because I'm filming.